Hello coin engineers, today we are going to talk about one pre-sale NFT project on Binance NFT marketplace, and I believe this is really down-to-earth project because it has game and it has been listed on many exchanges. One of them is Binance, and also many more details. And to be able to get to know these details and more details related to this project, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button because we are growing stronger with your support. Okay, let's jump into our game. Our game name is League of Kingdoms. As you can right see, this is the map I am located on. And League of Kingdoms is an MMO strategy game fully owned and powered by users and with a unique NFT economy using the Ethereum blockchain for transactions and governance. And for the ones who are not aware of what MMO is, it is massively multiplayer online game. And the game and experience happens in Genesis continent, which is right here, where all lands are owned and governed by players. You can see different players. I have even joined one alliance and its name is Yak. Okay, we have Dream Team and we have different players. Okay, we have talked about the game. We have seen a piece of video coming from the game, and let's talk about Dragos now. So what is this Drago and where and how we use it? Why do we need to buy this Drago? We will share these details one by one with you now. Guys, Binance NFT Marketplace presents that they will have the NFT pre-sale of the project League of Kingdoms. And in this NFT Marketplace, we will see different Dragos. We will try to participate in this Genesis Drago NFT. And guys, only 10k Genesis Drago will be sold in Genesis sale. Drago will be only supplied through breeding, okay? And through Binance NFT, they are selling 2k of them. And players use Drago to buff their troops and farm DSA. With DSA, you may wonder what DSA is, Dragon Soul Amber. They will be able to breed more Dragos during the game. With that being said, Drago will help users out to earn in-game token DST, which is right this. And also there will be legendary and normal Dragos X right on Binance Marketplace. And I think there is a vital question in your mind: what is the difference between legendary and also normal Dragos? And the difference is this: legendary Drago X have a higher chance of hatching Dragos with higher tire parts. Okay, you can see, as we should give an example for you to picturize it in your mind, something like this. When you have two uncommon shoes, you will be more likely to have uncommon shoes on step, and this is something like that. Okay, if you have two commons, you will more likely to have common shoes, something like that. And also let's talk about League of Kingdoms Arena. So this is the native and governance token of the project, and now its current price is 76 cents and the marketplace is less than 20 million. Nice one. And when you see the markets, wow, we have Binance almost in every pair. We have Loca BTC, Loca BNB, Loca USDT. So project looks like good actually. And we can see that it's possible to be listed on OKX, Bybit, and also Coinbase. Why not? And also, if you believe there will be more exchanges right on this project, please comment down it below after watching the video. One of the most important reason, one of most influential reason why I wanted to shoot a video is the partners. Okay, the investors and partners we have Hashed, we have Sequoia, we have Binance Labs, Yield, OpenSea, the Sandbox, and also Maker. These are the ones I know. Okay, let's check our social medias. On Discord it has 45k followers, on Twitter it has more than 80k followers, and also when we check the roadmap, it has really huge updates coming in 2022. As you see, Drago rental feature, NFT marketplace, staking dashboard. In 2024, it will be totally decentralized. The eventual goal is to build a decentralized community-driven digital metaverse where gamers can own and thrive. That's pretty much of it. And also, let's talk about lock Genesis Drago NFTs. This is the crucial part. So I will tell you the process. The preparation starts 1 day later, 1 day, 5 hours later on. And as I told you, total NFT to be issued will be 2,000 NFTs, and unit sale price will be 100 Loca. When you check out the local price, it's like 76 cents, so you will pay less than $100 if you're keen on play to earn projects. So this can be good idea for you. Okay, let's talk about the process. And the first rule, you must hold minimum amount of BNB in your wallet, okay, during the preparation phase. So please, if you want to participate in this project, please go and buy your BNB. And to be able to buy your BNB with low cost, with higher discount, please use our link right in the description. It will help you a lot. Okay, I assume that you have bought your BNB, and after completing the prerequisites, you will be successfully moved to subscription phase right here. After completing this one, you will be here, and right in this phase, you will be able to obtain participation ticket or tickets. Okay, and later on in calculation phase, the mechanism will select the winner tickets from all subscribed participation tickets from right here. If we will have like 100,000 subscriptions, we will be having 100,000 tickets, and of course every ticket won't be able to select it as winning ticket. Okay, so as I told you, the mechanism will select winning tickets from all subscribed participation tickets. Finally, users with the winning participation tickets will get to purchase the NFTs in the NFT primary sale. If your participation ticket is not selected, they'll automatically refund your assets. This is the common question I am having these days regarding that Binance NFT marketplace. So I think I answered all the questions in your minds. Hopefully this was an educational video for you. And if you like the game, if you're interested in that kind of games, please start playing the game. At least create your account, do spend some time on it. Maybe you never know what's gonna happen in the future. And as you know, if you have your Drago, you will be able to mint some DST token, which you will be using in game, and also you will have DSA. With the DSA points, you will be able to breed some more Dragos, and who knows, maybe you will sell your Dragos with a nice profitable money in near future, or you will use your Dragos to be able to breed more and make some nice money in-game ecosystem. And that's pretty much of it, guys. If you like the video and if you like the game as well, please subscribe to our channel to be able to keep in touch with this related video. And please don't forget to like our video and share with your friends. And guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.